So I just woke up and there's a whole pack of puppies outside my door waiting for me. They all just went quiet. They're barking and pawing at the door. Mason's the leader in this endeavor. I literally twitch awake and he is at the door. He knows when I'm awake. It's so funny. Okay, I'll show you. They all come ready. Hi! Good morning. Good morning, love. Hi, good morning. Mason, come here, buddy. Okay. Hey, bud. Oh, goodness. Hi, Dory. Good morning. Hi, Baba. Hi, Nia.
Whoa.
Okay, Dakota, it's okay. It's okay, Dakota. Dakota, come here, girl. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, come here. Hi, good morning, Nancy. Dakota, it's okay. She's calming down. Come here. Dakota likes to guard me from everybody else and tell everyone to calm down. Look at her. Hi, Baba. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Morning, Dory. Thank you. Thanks, girlfriend. You're a lovey girl. Everybody better? Okay. Is that all over now? Isn't that just the sweetest thing? I get to wake up to that and come home to that every day when I have a pack. Well, I come home to that with Mason and Dakota and wake up with that, but it's kind of fun when there's like a whole pack of them. So now it's time for coffee and toast and a lazy Saturday morning. You guys have a great day. Bye.